Okay, I'm back after a few minutes installing them on the passenger side. Here is both VLED brake light and turn signals. They're installed on both sides. These are the brake lights. A little bit closer. And I'll step far back, pretty far back, so you can really see some brightness. I got to be about 25 foot behind the truck. And I just turned the four ways on. Get you a little closer. They're pretty bright. It's a big improvement over the stock halogen bulbs. And here's the four ways on without the brake lights. So those on the ones on the bottom are your running lights. See how you have the bulb completely turns off and back on. Like I said in the first video, that the halogen never really completely turns off. And there they're back to just the running lights. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.